Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2025, Inventor versus SolidWorks. If you're an engineer, designer, or just curious about CAD software, this comparison will help you decide which one fits your needs. Let's jump right in. First off, what are these tools? Autodesk Inventor is a powerful 3D modeling software known for its robust mechanical design capabilities. It's part of the Autodesk suite and excels in creating detailed simulations and assemblies, making it a favorite for industries like manufacturing and automotive. On the other hand, SolidWorks, developed by Dassault Systèmes, is renowned for its user-friendly interface and is widely used for product design and prototyping. Both are top-tier CAD programs, but they cater to slightly different workflows. Now, let's talk about the key differences. One major area is the user interface. Inventor has a more traditional, feature-packed layout that might feel overwhelming for beginners, while SolidWorks offers a smoother, more intuitive experience that's easier to learn. In terms of features, Inventor shines in advanced simulation and integration with other Autodesk products, which is great for large-scale projects. SolidWorks, however, is a leader in parametric modeling and has excellent tools for rapid prototyping. Looking ahead to 2025, we're seeing updates like enhanced AI-driven design in Inventor and improved collaboration features in SolidWorks, making them even more competitive. Another big factor is pricing and accessibility. Inventor often requires a subscription through Autodesk, which can be pricey for individuals, whereas SolidWorks has flexible licensing options. Compatibility-wise, Inventor works seamlessly with AutoCAD files, while SolidWorks integrates well with various PLM systems. So, if you're in a team environment, SolidWorks might edge out for its collaborative tools. Ultimately, the choice between Inventor and SolidWorks boils down to your specific needs. If you're dealing with complex mechanical systems, go with Inventor. For everyday product design and ease of use, SolidWorks is your go-to. I recommend trying both with their free trials to see what clicks for you. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tech comparisons, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.